Hi, Kristen. I figured I would do a quick little video to show you what I came up with and see if that's going to work for you. So, I tried doing it in Excel, but I found a quicker way to do it within Google Sheets because there's an add-on. I don't know if this is going to work for you, but I just kind of wanted to demonstrate. So here's like a roster, let's say, like I said, I don't know if this is going to work for you because what it's going to end up doing is it's going to create a workbook with a lot of tabs for the teacher. So technically each teacher would have their own workbook with all their students in that workbook, a tab for each student. So let me just show you real quick. If this isn't going to work for you, let me know and I'll try to figure something else out. But um, this was like the quickest, easiest thing I could find. So I have a copy of the template and I downloaded this add-on called Template Tab by Alice Keeler. So in the roster, what I did is I created, I combined the first name and last name, which was very easy for me to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and paste that in this roster. And on the template, these students all belong. Oops, I went too far. Give me one second. All right. All these students belong to the same teacher, which is Patricia Banuelos. So I'm going to go ahead and at least pre-populate that. There we go. And so once you've pre-populated your template, which I'm only doing tabs for the students for this teacher, then what you do is just making sure that I have the name of the students here. You click add-ons and template tab, run template tab. And then what it's going to do is going to create a tab for each student. Sorry, it's still working, so it just takes a couple of minutes. All right, so it's done. So if I click on all sheets, I can see all the students. So if I go to Alvarado, it's going to take me there. The only thing is, it I haven't figured out a way to populate the student name, student ID, and phone number. Um, but it does, create a tab with the student's name, first name and last name. I could do that with like a student ID, but I just wasn't sure how quick you needed this. I can still continue to explore other options, but like I said, this was just like the fastest option. So then, I would probably name this. Uh, this is a teacher Bañuelos, right? So um, Bañuelos Mirror Policy Grid, because then it's going to have this whole workbook's going to have, all her worksheets with every student. So, anyways, don't feel bad if this isn't going to work. Don't hesitate and tell me, Laura, this isn't going to work. I'll come up with something else. But I just kind of wanted to share and get back to you um, because this is like the quickest, fastest way I could find right now. But I can still continue to do more research and see how we can maybe populate those cells. All right. I just, like I said, didn't know how soon you needed it. All righty. Bye.